Hello, we are Rie and Hiromi, cousins from Japan. Today, we will show you how to make a heart-shaped origami with a stand, along with a letter inside. Prepare a pen, a box cutter, and 2 pieces of origami to get started. We'll make the stand first, then show you how to craft a letter with origami. First, place a piece of origami with white side face up. Fold in half horizontally, then unfold. Fold again to the horizontal center line from the bottom, then from the top. Unfold. Change the position by 90 degrees, fold in half horizontally, then unfold. Fold again to the horizontal center line from the bottom, then from the top. Unfold. You see, I just repeated the same folding patterns as previously, creating 16 little squares on the paper. Change the position by 90 degrees. Fold one bottom row outward. Fold the bottom right corner alongside the vertical center line and do the same from the bottom left corner. Fold inward from the right and from the left. Make a crease halfway from the top row by folding inward and outward a couple of times. Then fold outward. Turn it over. Open the top right side with your finger and flatten, and do the same for the left side. Fold the white metal parts in, one at a time from right side and left side. Fold the apex inward a bit for both sides. Watch the finger movement closely. You will bring right side over in a fold. Do the same from the left side to make a perfect heart shape. Once opened your heart, you will see where the letter is going to be placed. That part is coming up right away. Fold outward at the bottom of the heart to make a stand. Now we'll show you how to make an origami letter. First, place a piece of origami with white side face up. Fold in half horizontally, then using a box cutter, make 2 rectangular pieces of origami. Take one piece and fold in half horizontally. Cut again to make 2 more pieces. We are using 1 small square piece of origami. Start writing your message. Dear Hiromi, thank you for being there for me. Let's hang out real soon. Rie. Take your time writing a heartwarming message to your favorite person. Once done, fold in half horizontally, then unfold. Bring the bottom left corner to the middle. Fold the bottom part up to the center line. Bring the top right corner to the middle. Fold the top part back the center line. Fold the right side up to the top line and tuck it in. Fold the top left side down to the bottom line and tuck it in. You're done. Thank you for watching. Happy folding! 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。Please subscribe our channel if you like what you just watched or would like to support us. Please feel free to leave a comment or two. If you have any questions, ask us. We'll try to answer them for you. Any feedback is appreciated. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The latest info will be posted there. Happy folding, everyone!